and emotional reset center join hand in hand to support and guide you in your inspiring mission and aspirations.
If you leave this room today and somebody asks you what did you learn from that session, well, you say, well, I learned that active listening is all about 3 elements: focus, understanding, being able to repeat back in your own words what was said. Why? Well, because I want the other person to feel significant.
I don't have a choice but to face it, and it's not gonna happen overnight, but I am willing to look back on it a little longer and work on being a better version of myself.
I feel good about it. I felt more relieved na wala na po yung mga extra baggages ko dati.
I realized na you can fully move on if you don't forgive other people. And through this book, it gave me the added courage I need to finally let go of the people who has hurt me.
Yes, these burdens or problems is hard, but it really shows to us that we as a person learn how to grow and accept who we are.
To its graduate, thank you. Thank you for answering the call. Thank you for choosing to be alive. And thank you for helping build a world where every mind matters and every soul is heard.
It's not only it will be useful for my peer coaching in the future and as a teacher, but also my growth as a person. Thank you.
So Project David has been more than just a program for me. It's been a turning point. I've grown in ways I didn't expect, and I'm walking away with a stronger heart and a clearer purpose.
Project David didn't just prepare us to be better students, it helped us shape us into people who are ready to make a difference in big ways or small.
Thank you, Project David, for creating such a meaningful space. Your openness made this more than a learning unit. It made it a step towards change, both within and beyond.
Project David was a transformative experience for me. We're in a world where so many people feel alone. The program reminded me that support, when given with sincerity and true care, can change lives. And I am proud to be a part of that change. And I am also proud to say that I am David.
Some people want it to happen. Some wish it would happen. Others may simply ask, what happened? In your case, make it happen because you have a noble purpose in life as certified mental health and will being junior coaches.